In this video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional logic in Go High Level. Now, conditional logic is executing different tasks or processes depending on if certain conditions are met. It's like the brain's decision making. If this happens, then something else happens. In this case with Go High Level, I'm going to be teaching you how to use an if-else statement. For example, if one of your leads has a high credit score, then they're applicable to work with you and they qualify for your program. So in this example, let X equal they have a high credit score and let Y equal they can work with you. If X is true, then Y will happen. However, if X is not true and they have a low credit score, then they won't be able to work with you. I first learned this in university when I was learning to code, and learning it in Java and having to write the actual code and if-else statements, I found it really hard. However, no-code tools have made it so much easier. I don't have to rely on a small Indian boy to teach me how to do it on YouTube. I guess you're learning from me, but I'm not a small Indian boy. Anyway, jumping into Go High Level here, I've got my workflow builder. Now, we need to add a trigger, and in most cases with Go High Level, it's going to be either a form or a survey. So you're going to go form submitted, and the filter is going to be just whatever form you have available. In this example, I'm just going to be making sure that they've filled in their full name. Now, this is a bit of a silly example because you would already have this in your check required box when you are actually building the form, but it's just for the sake of a video. So form submitted, and then we're going to type in if for the if-else statement as our action. Now in this little builder here, we have a couple of different things we can go over. Now the action name is, I'm just going to call it if-else test. And then we've got our branches. So the branch is essentially the pathway that it's going to take depending on if the statement is true or false. So in this situation, this is going to be yes, and this one is going to be no. And we're going to select contact details and then full name. Our operator is going to be not empty. So this is just basically, you could go full name is Matt, and it would check to see people with the full name Matt. Or you could say full name contains M. So everyone who has an M in their name will filter through this. However, we are just going to go is not empty. So we're just checking to see if the full name is present. And this situation is going to go yes or no. Now you can do a bunch of different things from this action. So for example, you could say a new lead has submitted, and their name is, you can add in your custom value, which is contact and then full name. And we know that that's going to be there. And then on the secondary side, you can say no, and you can go SMS as well and say a ghost lead applied and didn't leave their name. And you save action. This is a super simple tool to learn, and once you've grasped it, you will be able to build really complex workflows inside Go High Level. Not only does this improve your ability to make decisions in Go High Level, it actually allows you to automate more things in your journey. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to them as soon as I can, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.